你好 Welcome to Smart Mandarin and Smart Mandarin Podcast. If this is your first time coming to my channel, welcome. My name is Katrina. I'm the founder and the teacher of Smart Mandarin. My job is to help you speak Mandarin with confidence and joy. In today's video, we're going to talk about Chinese New Year, and we're going to cover how to say Chinese New Year in Mandarin and what people do during Chinese New Year. First of all, how do you say Chinese New Year in Mandarin? First one is 中国新年中国新年中国 meaning China. 新年 is New Year, so literally it means China New Year. 中国新年 But actually, people don't say this so often because this is translated from English. So normally, native speaker would say 农历新年农历 meaning lunar calendar. So 农历新年 is lunar calendar New Year, which is Chinese New Year. 农历新年农历新年农历新年 So I recommend saying this 农历新年 The next one you could also say 春节春 meaning spring and 节 is festival. So spring festival 春节 spring festival literally. So it also means Chinese New Year. 春节 Another one you could say 过年过年过 meaning to spend time or to celebrate or to spend an occasion. So 过年 can be a noun like Chinese New Year. You could say 过年 My personal favorite is 过年过年 It's more often used in Taiwan. Well, when the Chinese New Year is coming, my mom would say 过年要到了过年要到了 Or my mom would say 过年快到了过年快到了 So 过年要到了要到了 means it's coming. So an occasion or a day is coming. We can use as a chang 要到了什么什么 is coming. Something something is coming. 过年要到了 Or you could also say 过年快到了过年快到了 So 快到了 You can also remember that as a phrase or a chang meaning something is coming soon. So if you say 过年快到了 meaning Chinese New Year is coming soon. I could also give you another example using 快到了 For example, you could say my birthday is coming soon. How do you say my birthday is coming soon? 我的生日快到了我的生日快到了 So what can you say during Chinese New Year? Of course, you say Happy New Year. Just like the New Year, we say Happy New Year, which is the same. So when Chinese New Year is coming, you have to say 新年快乐 The same, Happy New Year. 新年快乐新年快乐 So when you see people, that is the first thing you say during 过年新年快乐 Okay, so you could say 新年快乐新年快乐 This is the classic standard gesture when you say 新年快乐新年快乐 Alright, 新年快乐 Or you could also say 新年好新年好好 meaning good, so New Year good 新年好新年好新年好 So after 新年快乐 or 新年好 you could say 恭喜发财恭喜发财 So meaning like congratulations to make a lot of money. Okay, that's my translation. But the literal translation is 恭喜 meaning congratulations. 恭喜恭喜恭喜恭喜 congratulations. 发 meaning to generate. Okay, to generate. 财 meaning fortune. So congratulations to generate fortune, meaning I wish you to make a lot of money in the new year, okay, in this year. So, 新年快乐，恭喜发财。新年快乐，恭喜发财，恭喜发财。Or you could say 新年好，恭喜发财。新年好，恭喜发财。Happy New Year! Wish you make a lot of money. Okay. 新年好，恭喜发财。Or you could just see some people and say 恭喜恭喜恭喜恭喜新年快乐 So you can basically say the same phrases and same thing and play with it in different order 恭喜恭喜新年好恭喜恭喜新年快乐 Why do I say twice 恭喜 Because if you say once 恭喜新年快乐 It sounds too short It doesn't sound natural and sincere So you say twice 恭喜恭喜 So 恭喜恭喜恭喜恭喜新年快乐恭喜恭喜新年快乐 Let's talk about days of Chinese New Year. First one is Chinese New Year's Eve. In Mandarin we say 除夕除夕 Chinese New Year's Eve 除夕 And then going to the first day of Chinese New Year. The first New Year's Day we say 正月初一正月初一正月 is the first month of the year and 初一 is the first day of a month. So 正月初一 the first day of the year. 正月初一 Chinese New Year's Day. And if you don't want to say 正月初一 because it's too many words, too mouthful, you could just say 初一初一 the first day of New Year. 初一 and 初二 the second day of New Year. 初三初四初五 and so on. And all the way to 初十五初十五十五 meaning 15. So the 15th day of Chinese New Year is the official end or the last day of the whole Chinese New Year, which is also known for Lantern Festival, 元宵节元宵节 So 初十五 the 15th day 初十五 is 元宵节元宵节 So now let's talk about 我们过年做什么 What do we do during Chinese New Year? 我们过年 Chinese New Year 做什么我们过年做什么 What do we do during Chinese New Year? Well, first of all, if you are a mother or you have a family, you have to prepare for Chinese New Year feast. So you have to 准备年菜准备年菜准备 meaning to prepare 年菜 means New Year's feast or New Year's food 年 meaning year and 菜 meaning vegetable or dishes. So 准备年菜准备年菜 or you can cook 做年菜做年菜 But nowadays it is so easy to 准备年菜 prepare for New Year's feast. You can actually 在网上订年菜在网上 on the net 订 to book or to reserve 年菜在网上订年菜 So first of all, people would first 在网上订年菜 to book, to reserve the New Year's feast on the internet 在网上订年菜不用自己做 You don't have to do it by yourself 不用 meaning don't need to 自己 meaning self 做 meaning to do 不用自己做 You don't have to do it by yourself You just have to book online 不用自己做年菜 You don't have to do, you don't have to make, prepare 年菜 for yourself. I must say that different family has different 年菜 depending on your preference, family tradition, and the size of your family. Like in my family, we don't really eat very fancy 年菜 because we don't have a huge family in my house. We eat 火锅. Actually, our 年菜 is just hot pot, which I love so much. 火锅 because it's so convenient, 很方便, very convenient, 很方便. Again, it depends on each family's tradition and the size of your family. So in my family, we would just eat 火锅. So 火锅 is our 年菜, our New Year's feast. Okay, now moving on to the next. After eating 年菜, New Year's feast, and it's time for some 红包, red envelope. That's right. Okay, this is the very exciting moment for people because inside this 红包, red envelope, 红包, you got some money. Okay, so in my case, I had to give 红包 to my parents. So to give 红包, you could say 发红包, 发红包. 发 here meaning like deliver or distribute. So 发红包, 发红包. 我得发红包. I had to give the red envelope. Okay, 发红包. If you are the children, you had to get the 红包. So in Mandarin we say 领红包. 领红包 to get the 红包 from your parents. 领红包, 领红包. So 发红包, 领红包. And then people will set off firecrackers. So to set off firecrackers in Mandarin is 放鞭炮. 鞭炮 is firecrackers. 放 meaning to release. So here set off firecrackers. 放鞭炮. 放鞭炮. Or some people would set off fireworks, so that would be 放烟火. 放烟火. 烟火 meaning fireworks. 烟 meaning smoke. 火 meaning fire. 放烟火. But I heard that the people in China, they say 烟花 meaning fireworks. Okay, so 放烟花, 放烟花, 放烟花 or 放烟火, set off fireworks. The next thing we do is 赌博, 赌博 to gamble. Alright, so as tradition in my family, people usually gamble for fun, not for real, okay? Gamble for fun, 赌博 to pass time, to kill time during Chinese New Year, and it's a way to bond with your relatives, to your family by, gambling. Okay, 赌博, 赌博. Okay, you can play the dice and play poker, stuff like that. 赌博 for fun, but real money. 赌博. Or you can play 麻将 during Chinese New Year. It's a kind of gamble as well, for fun, but with real money. Okay, 打麻将, 打麻将. 打 meaning to hit, here is play. 麻将 is 麻将. Okay, 打麻将. 你会打麻将吗? Do you know how to play 麻将? 你会打麻将吗? 你会打麻将吗? 你喜欢打麻将吗? Do you like to play 麻将? 你喜欢打麻将吗? 我不喜欢打麻将。我会 I know how to 我会打麻将，可是我不喜欢 but I don't like it。我会打麻将，可是我不喜欢。我会打麻将，可是我不喜欢。So people gamble 赌博，打麻将 and also people watch some TV shows for like the Chinese New Year's TV show. So we would say 过年， 特别节目，过年 meaning Chinese New Year. 特别 special. This is a HSK1 vocabulary, which is in my absolute beginners course. 节目 meaning TV show, TV program. So 看过年特别节目，看过年特别节目。The last thing is, okay, of course, 过年啊, you have to go to your parents' home, go back to your parents. So, in Mandarin, we would say 回老家, 回老家. I think this is a very cute expression. 老 meaning old. 家 is home. 回 is to return. So return your old home, meaning to return to your parents' place. 回老家过年, go back to parents' home to celebrate New Year. 回老家过年, so 过年 here is a verb phrase, meaning to celebrate New Year. 回老家过年，回老家过年 so 我要回老家过年 I'm going to return home, celebrate Chinese New Year. 我要回老家过年，我要回老家过年。So my question for you is, have you ever experienced Chinese New Year in your life? And if not, do you want to experience one day? Do you want to experience Chinese New Year one day in Taiwan or China? Or if you have experienced Chinese New Year, please let me know your experiences down in the comment below. If you like this video lesson, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I have new video lessons every Thursday and maybe Sunday. Also, if you want to get more exclusive, don't forget to join me on Smart Mandarin Facebook group and follow me on Instagram. I have mini lessons on IGTV and my life in Taiwan. Become my student, the link is right over here. I have workshop weekly exclusively with my teachable student. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you next time. 再见。